Hello, welcome back to my channel. So here I am back with another tarot card reading for your excess feeling. Okay, so here I'm going to decode through three cards that what is going to happen, what is actually happening in their life. Are they thinking about you? And the situation here is that you're not in connect since a month, and but you're not blocked each other. You both are in kind of on and off connect. Okay, but that on and off connect जब भी बात होती है, it turns out into an argument, conflict, and then you don't talk to each other for a few days and then get back. Something like that is happening. So right now you need the clarity that do you really need to wait for this person, or what exactly they feel. So that is what I'm here for, to give you the clarity through this card reading. Okay, so let's begin. Universe, divine, angels, please help my subscribers know as to what their ex is feeling right now. Okay, and what is happening. So here are the three cards. Okay, so here are the three cards, and the first card is Five of Cups. जहाँ मैं देख पा रही हूँ, definitely they are also hurt, they are upset. Definitely whatever is happening is affecting them. Okay, it's not like उन्हें कुछ भी फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. No, not that the case. Definitely emotionally it is kind of challenging them and affecting them as well. Okay, so overall the breakup has hurt them. The on and off situation is also killing them. So yes, they are definitely hurt. Okay. The second card is a Ten of Pentacles. Here I see maybe the family is kind of a main reason where the breakup has happened or something like that. Kind of I'm relating where you are kind of a teenager or you're very young, where your parents are trying to tell you that, please pay attention to your career. Right now, love life is not to be focused on. It shall wait, or you could do it later on, or something like that. And they are trying to kind of deviate your mind and try to make you understand. I'm not saying that they are trying to make you manipulate or something wrong. No, not that way. They are trying to make you understand in a good way. But it's obviously the generation gap, and they're trying to tell you that love life right now, it not has to be focused on. You really need to take care of your career, finances. That is what the family is trying to tell you, and there's a lot of confusion in your mind. Okay, so yes, family is kind of the main culprit. That is what I seek through the card reading. Okay, the third card is Six of Cups. Definitely they care about you, they are missing you, they want to kind of connect you back as well. That is what also I seek through the card. So right now what I'm seeking through the card is yes, they are attached, they are emotionally invested in you. If you ask about love, liking, feelings, right now I do not see that much, but definitely family is trying to tell them that right now it is not the good time for your love life or something like that, and that is one of the reason there are ups and downs between you both. Okay, so right now, yes, to be frank, there will be time taken for the situation to fall in its place. Reconciliation chances are 100% there. I'm not saying that this relationship to break off. Maybe it will take a time of around 5 to 6 months of timeline, and technically around October I see things to be falling in its place, और improvement वो timeline से start होनी शुरू हो जाएगी. ठीक है. So right now what I seek is you could just talk around with each other. If you're not able to meet each other, it's okay. Spend time on FaceTime, video calls or something like that. Be there for one another. Don't just argue and pinpoint on each other's like mistakes. It's not going to end up or lead you on to something very positive. चीज़ें और ख़राब ही होती जाएगी. If you really want to mend things, so definitely right now it is the time to support each other, take care of each other. See, I know at times क्या होता है ना, वो एक टैग, रिलेशनशिप का टैग लगना बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है, स्पेशली आई फील लड़कियों को, बिकॉज उन्हें ऐसा लगता है कि इफ़ वो टैग नहीं है देन देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ कॉम्प्लिकेशंस, और आई डोंट नो दैट वो लड़का मुझे फिर लॉयल रहेगा या समथिंग लाइक दैट. आई अंडरस्टैंड योर माइंड सेट, बट राइट नाउ द टैग इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. यू कुड बी देयर फॉर वन अनदर एज फ्रेंड्स, एंड डेफिनेटली इट विल ग्रो, द बॉन्ड विल इवेंचुअली ग्रो. ये पर्सन आपसे दूर नहीं जाएगा. अगर आपको लगता है कि मेरे साथ नहीं है तो कल किसी और के साथ नहीं, ये 100% आप में ही इन्वेस्टेड है. सो करेंटली तो डेफिनेटली इनके एनर्जी से मुझे यही दिखाई देता है दैट देयर इज 100% चांसेस ऑफ reconciliation. Also, their family is currently not opposing you. Maybe they have understood about the relationship and they're not trying to put negative in their mind that, for example, this girl or boy is bad for them. No, that's not the case. Okay, they have definitely not put that. It is only and only with respect to the career that they are trying to make their child understand. Okay, so do not worry. वो भी केस नहीं है जहाँ पे आपको ऐसा लग रहा रहेगा कि अरे अब तो मतलब फैमिली भी अगेंस्ट है, सब कुछ अगेंस्ट है. तो आप इतना प्रेशर मत लीजिए. don't be into any hurry. Okay, right now there's an ample amount of time, so give them the time. And what happens now, I'll tell you, once you kind of support your partners with respect to your career now, वो time पे ना the relationship और भी अच्छा bloom होता है. Okay, because for every one of us the career is the most important. Okay, after the relationship and everything, the personal life में हमें हमारा career सबसे ज़्यादा प्यारा होता है. सो जब हमको कोई सपोर्ट करता है ना, दैट टाइम वी फील वैल्यूड, इम्पॉर्टेंट है हम किसी के लिए. सो ऑटोमेटिकली दोज फीलिंग्स एंड अटैचमेंट गो इन टू अ वेरी डिफरेंट वे, पॉजिटिव वे. ओके, so keep doing that. It will definitely help your relations improve with one another. Okay, so that's it for today's reading. I shall be back with more tarot card readings. Till then, take care and stay in tutor. Bye.